Lads, welcome back to another episode of Epic Unboxing. I know I recorded an episode yesterday. This is kind of like an abrupt, spur of the moment epic unboxing uh, because I received another package in the mail, as you can see here. Kind of a big deal. And I was like, normally when I get packages in the mail, if it's not epic, I'm not going to do an epic unboxing. But I have been waiting for this one for a fucking hot minute, so I'm really excited to crack this fucker open and see what the contents are because this one's gonna be epic. Trust me, it's gonna be very epic. All right, let's fucking get in here. I don't know if there's like an implement I could use that's original. I could use this Nintendo Switch GameCube controller. Yeah, this is not gonna work very well. Yeah, okay. So there goes the GameCube controller. The Jewel. I could use the Jewel. Jesus fucking Christ. Yeah, that's not working either. Alright. How the fuck do you open this? Why is it... Okay. Alright, we got it. We're getting it, boys. Not bad. Alright. Oh, fuck yeah, dude. Alright, so... this is quite the elaborate package right here. Alright. Yeah, this is based. This is absolutely based. Alright, let's kind of push this out here. Try to not dox myself. This is very nice. This is... Oh shit, that's doxing myself. Let me get this out of the protective wrap. Try not doxing myself here anymore. Alright, so this is an original Sanctuary release of Quebec by Ween. This is the double LP. It's got the entire case too. It's actually not in terrible shape, which I'm really glad about. I imported this from Germany, so I was like afraid this was gonna, like get destroyed and shit. But yeah, this is a European release of Quebec. My personal favorite Ween album. That's not the Pod. The Pod is the best one, obviously. But Quebec is really fucking good. Alright, so here's the two records. Because it's a double LP. Based. And this is the inside. Ah, shit, this is... Alright, so... Oh, it's got all the lyrics, too. That's cool. Very nice. This is sick. I'm so happy about this. I paid like a decent amount of money for this, but still, like, pretty fucking cool. Quebec by Ween. If you haven't listened to Quebec, good fucking album. You should listen to Quebec. It is certified not bad. There we go. Not bad. Alright, epic. Fucking episode 18, epic unboxing. Not bad. Yeehaw!